Hi guys, Mike Williams here, ibcinyourc in St. Louis. Got to take advantage of the weather. It's almost 60 something degrees today, and today it's a good time to run some engines. So today we're testing the BE, which is Bull Engine Company. They were gracious enough to send me this motor for testing, and I fired it up and pretty impressed with it. Running a 24/8 Falcon carbon fiber, or not a carbon fiber, excuse me, German Beechwood 24/8. Had to put the muffler on upside down because I boobed up and forgot to shim out the motor there. But anyway, it obviously goes the other way. So let's fire it up and hear it run. I'm getting 6,800 on the top end, and idling around 1,300. And this is a brand new motor, only been run a few minutes, so let's give her a whirl. Well, there you have it. Starts real easy, idles wonderfully. Like I say, the temperature right now is about 60 degrees. Pretty impressed thus far with this motor. Get it back on a plane and get some flight testing for you. Other than that, we're good to go. All right, talk to you soon. Thanks.